Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. On this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make this simple catfish sauce. Here are our ingredients. I have a catfish, tomatoes, shombo pepper, scotch bonnet, palm oil, crayfish, onions, thyme, curry, ginger and garlic powder and some seasoning cubes. I'm going to prep my fish for the sauce. I cut them into sizable bits. You have to be really careful because the fish is slimy. I pop this into a bowl. I add some salt and I add hot water. The purpose of the hot water is to take out the sliminess of the fish and to wash it properly. Here I've washed it properly. In my blender, I popped in my tomatoes, my peppers, some onions. I added a little bit of water and I blended this all together. In my pot, I popped in some palm oil. I sauteed some onions in the palm oil. I cooked this for 5 minutes, then I put in some thyme, some curry, and I mixed it all together. I added my pepper mix, and then I stirred to combine. I let this fry for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I stirred again. Then I added my ginger and garlic powder, some seasoning cubes, some salt, some crayfish, and I stirred it all to combine. I added my fish. I stirred this properly. Be careful not to damage the fish. I added some water to loosen up the sauce, and I stirred to combine. I covered it and let this cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I added some dry ground pepper. I stirred it up to combine. The sauce is almost ready. After I stirred it up, I let it cook for 10 minutes and I took it off the fire. Here's our sauce. I personally combine this with some pasta. What would you combine yours with? Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on my next video.